In this video, we'll discuss nomenclature for alkynes. So an alkyne has to have a triple bond in it somewhere. It can be terminal or it can be internal. In terms of priority, alkenes and alkynes are equivalent to one another, and those are higher in priority than alkyl groups or the halides. So you'd number to give the alkene or the alkyne the lowest possible number. If we have just an alkyne, I'm going to draw an example here. We'd start numbering to give the triple bond carbons the lowest possible number, and we're going to use the first carbon as the locant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this would be hexyne, Y-N-E is the root name change for the parent compound, and that triple bond spans over carbons 2 and 3, so we'll use 2 as a locant, so this would be 2-hexyne. So that Y-N-E tells me that I have a triple bond, and the 2 tells me where it is. Hex tells me that there are 6 total carbons in the molecule. If there is more than one triple bond in your species, so if you had 2 triple bonds, then you would have a diine, and you would need 2 locants. You could have 3 triple bonds, and that would be a triine, and you would need 3 locants to tell me where each of those triple bonds are within your total carbon chain. So we treat them just like we treat anything else, methyl groups, ethyl groups that there is more than one of. We use the di, tri, tetra prefixes. We could also have a compound that had a double bond and a triple bond. In this case, we've got this molecule here, so we're going to start numbering, and they're equivalent to one another in terms of priority, and so we're going to start with the lowest number for either one of them. In this case, we can do that by doing the 1 on the end here on the right-hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this particular molecule will be hept 4-ene 1-ine. So it changes the root name in both places, the ene for the double bond and the ine for the triple bond. It always is ene-ine in that order, so double bond followed by triple bond. And I have a 4-ene to tell me that I have a double bond at the 4 position, and a 1-ine to tell me that I have a triple bond at the 1 position on my 7 carbon chain.